So do you also want to turn your form responses into Kit subscribers? Then you are on the right video. In this video, I'll show you how you can automatically add new type form entry into Kit as a new subscriber. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of subscribers for free into your Kit account, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. You can use this discount coupon code and get a very good discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so this is the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for type form right over here and select type form. So I use type form to collect the registrations for the webinars I conduct, and I want to add them into my Kit account as subscribers so that I can create targeted email marketing campaigns for them. Alright, so for the event, I'm just going to select it as new entry and click on this connect. Now, if you've already created a connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Typeform. Once we click on this connect with Typeform, what we have to do is we have to make sure that a Typeform account is logged in before starting with this automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your account, and then only going to get this option to give all the permissions. So once you get the option to give all the permissions, just click on this accept and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with Pabbly. Once you're going to click on this accept, your Typeform account will be connected with Pabbly Connect, and after creating this connection, you just have to select the form. So as you can see that this is my form, which is webinar registration forms. I've selected it right over here. Make sure to select the response format as advanced and click on the save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, just open your Typeform account and you have to do the test submission and submit this form. Alright, so let's submit this form. So for that, I have to fill in this form. So let's say for the first name, I'm just going to first of all refresh this form and we're just going to fill in this form. For that, let's click on this get started. I'm just going to keep the first name as new, last name as user. As you can see, the phone number, email address. Now I'm just going to enter what best describes your current role as marketing professional, and then it is saying what is your biggest challenge for digital growth. So this is not the required question. I'm just going to leave it as blank and submit this form. Now you're going to see that we have successfully submitted this form. Now let's open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. So we just have to wait for a few seconds, and over here you can see that we have successfully captured the response. Now what we're going to do is we're going to convert this into Kit subscriber. For that, click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Kit and select Kit right over here. But you have to make sure that you select Kit V4. For the event, you have to select it as insert a new subscriber. Over here, you're going to see insert or update subscriber by email and then click on this connect. Now, if you've already created a connection between Kit and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Kit. Once you click on this connect with Kit, you're going to see that Pabbly is going to ask you to grant access. Alright, so make sure that your Kit account is logged in and then click on this grant access button and your Kit account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the email address, so let's enter the email address, but we're not going to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, you have to put a slash and then search for the detail which you wish to map and map it like this. For the subscriber state, I'm just going to select it as active and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on this save and send test request, you're going to see we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the new subscriber. So let's open our Kit account and you're going to see the new subscriber is added right over here, be it the name or the email. Not only this, now whenever I'm just going to receive a new submission from this form, within seconds and in real time, the subscriber will be added. And yes, this is going to happen in backend. I'll just show you how. So let's let's say I'm just going to submit this form once again. So for that, I'm just going to go towards this share and I'm just going to copy the form link. And I'm just going to submit this form again and I'm just going to show you how this workflow is going to run in real time. So as you can see that this is the form right over here, and this time I'm just going to fill in this form as Ritika user. So I'm just going to keep the first name as Ritika right over here, and then for the last name I'm just going to keep it as user only. For the email I'm just going to keep it as ritika@pabblytunes.com. Now you're going to see I'm just going to select the details and fill in this form right over here. And after I submit this form, let's open our Kit account, and you're going to see within seconds and in real time this new subscriber is added right over here. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we created right now. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Till then, the workflow URL and the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.